Today we are at O'Reilly and we have Rhonda, my friend Francis, his car. He's getting the battery changed, and the best part is that Rhonda looks after the sales, marketing, and she's also a trained technician. We have bought a battery called the Super Start, which is again a brand of O'Reilly, and this is the tool kit she's using. It's a very fantastic set of tools. I can see almost every kind of wrench and other tools are there. Wow, there goes the old crappy battery. That's the new one. So Francis, you are giving a new heart to the car.
Life with Rhonda provision.
She is the heart surgeon, I would say.
Yeah.
The car is pretty cool. It's a Toyota Corolla. Not done many miles, although Corollas are known to do more than 2,500 miles, and they have got great engines.
Yeah.
It's small. The size is a little bit smaller than that.
Your brackets help hold it. Right there.
Say something.
Say
Have
something.
a good day.
Thank you, Rhonda.
Thank you.
So much.